Go, 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 go! Now, if I'm right, this should be the plane the masked man's getting on. And I've never been right about a lot of things. Wait, what the? Who are you? I am looking for a flight. Really? You don't look like the rest of the people here. What's your name? Mr. Namington of Namington Bridge. I have shot someone with a gun before. Ah, welcome aboard. Here, take one of these, you'll need it. Is there first class? Yeah, good old jokester. Yeah, on you go.
Oh yes, hello. My name is 4th of May 1989.
14 May 19... Oh, yeah, here we go. Here's your ticket.
Ah, wonderful.
Yeah, have a pleasant flight,
Yeah,
sir.
you too.
No sign of masked man anywhere. What kind of flight is this anyway? Well, you don't know. This is a military plane. What's that? Military. It's like fighting, you know? War. What war is this? The fifth one now? Probably more than that. Listen, man. I'm just in it for the freedom of our country.
Something seems to be dawning on me. The food doesn't come until 5. It's only 16:55 right now.
Hey, listen, man. I think I made a mistake. I meant to go to the normal airport instead of the... Well, wherever I went to get on this plane. Can we land? No can do, sir. My orders are orders, and I must follow them. Can I... No, sir. Can I get... Sir, what are you doing? No, get off.
Are you following me?
Oh,
Oh yeah?
Ow.
How about this?
Ow.
And this.
Sir, no, We're going down!
That had to be coincidence.
Yeah, no, yeah.
So you were following me the whole time.
No.
You need to be a lot more sneaky. I knew about this the whole time.
Me neither.